PC building with boyfriend.
We're building a PC. More like I'm sitting here and kind of helping him. Kind of looks like a little city when you're like looking top down. Little city, and there's all the little buildings, right?
The thing has hundreds of little pins in it, if not 1,000. And if any one of these get bent, the whole thing's fucked. You're gonna put it in. Oh gosh.
Ah! Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't know.
He's gonna send it to his friend in Texas.
My friend in Texas.
His friend in Texas.
Drivers.
Yeah, I do like your big screwdriver.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Growing it out.
Ew.
Dodged. If you press that down, it'll spread it. It's into the spatula, so I'm gonna use the spatula.
I was just informed we're gonna do my PC now. We're gonna do my PC now?
Do your PC.
My motherboard.
Use your motherfucker.
This is my motherfucking